Hi, I'm Alan Hovis. I'm a real estate broker, contractor, and property and casualty insurance agent here in Florida. We've put this channel together for you to answer your questions about buying and selling real estate here in Florida. If you've got additional questions you haven't found answers yet to, just put them in the comments below and we will get back to you. Or maybe we'll make a show about them. Thank you for watching.
When preparing to sell your house, presenting it in the best possible light is essential. Home staging highlights your property's strengths, minimizes weaknesses, and helps potential buyers envision themselves living there. The three main staging options are professional, self-staging, and virtual staging. Each have distinct benefits and considerations. Let's talk about these three and help you determine which method aligns best with your goals, budget, and market expectations. Professional staging involves hiring a trained expert or company to assess, furnish, and decorate your home for sale. They may use your existing furniture, supplement it with rented pieces, or bring in an entirely new decor. When you hire a professional stager, you get expertise in design and buyer psychology that provides high-quality furnishings and decor tailored to your market. This is a turnkey service, meaning the stagers handle everything from planning to execution. This can result in faster sales and higher offers, but it can be very expensive, with costs ranging from a few hundred to several $1,000s, and may require moving out or storing personal belongings. Consider this option when you are in a highly competitive market for luxury homes or those seeking maximum impact and convenience. If you're leaning this way, interview a few companies and ask them to show you pictures of their previous projects that best align with your home. Self-staging means you take on the staging process yourself, using your own furniture and decor, possibly with some minor purchases or updates. This is a cost-effective method with minimal investment required. You'll have full control over the look and feel of your home, and you'll be able to accomplish this at your own pace. It does require time, effort, and a good eye for design, and may be less effective if you lack staging experience, along with a potential for emotional attachment to items that may hinder objective decision-making. This would be best for sellers on a budget, in less competitive markets, or those with a knack for interior design. Here are 2 tips from professionals if you do decide to stage yourself. 1. Declutter as much as feasible, and then declutter more. Less is better in this situation, and try to remove personal belongings as much as possible so buyers can envision their own belongings in the house. 2. Visit new developments that are still selling homes and are similar in price to what you'll be asking, and go through the model homes. If allowed, take pictures and try to emulate the professionally designed and staged environment when staging your own home. Your realtor and photographer are also good sources to help you with this. Virtual staging uses digital technology to add furnishings and decor to photos of empty or sparsely furnished houses. Because these images are typically used for vacant listings, if you're already moved out, this is a great option. You'll have lower costs than physical staging, along with a quick turnaround time. It also allows buyers to visualize the potential of vacant spaces. Remember, this will apply to only photos. The physical property will remain empty for showings and will not have the same emotional impact during in-person showings. If you decide on this method, it must be clearly disclosed to buyers in the MLS listing or any advertising you do if you're selling yourself. This choice will be best for vacant homes, properties marketed primarily online, or sellers with limited budgets. So how do you decide? Well, if you have the resources, professional staging often yields the best results. But for tighter budgets, DIY or virtual staging can still make a substantial difference. In a hot market, simple self-staging may suffice. In a buyer's market, professional staging can give you a competitive edge. Luxury or high-end homes typically benefit from professional staging, while smaller or starter homes will suffice with self or virtual staging. If you need to sell quickly, professional staging is efficient, but virtual staging offers the fastest solution, especially if you're online marketing. So consider your priorities, resources, and market expectations, and choose the option that will help you achieve a successful sale. And we'll see you in the next video.
Hopefully the content in today's video has helped you answer some questions. If so, please like and subscribe. It helps us keep the channel going and answering all of your questions. Now, I work in the Sarasota-Bradenton market, but we have referrals for agents all over the state of Florida. My contact information is below and in my website, alanhovis.com. And if you are a Florida real estate agent, please contact us if you'd like to be on our referral list. That's it for now. We'll see you in the next video.